Hello all. So in today's vlog, I'll explain you about concept of angles as well as classification of angles. So without wasting the time, let's start. Now, what is an angle? Two rays having common endpoint, they form an angle, and as we can see in the figure, angle AOB. So in this there are two rays OB and OA. Okay, and these two rays are also called arms of the angle. So it means in angle AOB, OB and OA are the arms of this angle, and vertex is the common endpoint. And in this figure, point O is what? It is the vertex of this angle, that is angle AOB. Okay. Then after that comes classification of angles, means there are how many types of angles. So there are total 7 types of angles. So first is acute angle. So all those angles whose measurement is less than 90 degree are called acute angles, and in this figure angle ABC is equal to 50 degree, means this angle is less than 90 degree, so it is acute angle. Then comes obtuse angle. So all those angles whose measurement is more than 90 is called obtuse angle. Okay, and in this figure angle PQR measurement is 120 degree, which is more than 90 degree, means this angle is an obtuse angle. Then third type is right angle. All those angles whose measurement is exactly 90 degree, means not less than 90 or nor more than 90, are right angles. And in angle LMN, so a measurement is 90 degree, means this is right angle. Then after that, fourth type is straight angle. So all those angles whose measurement is 180 degree are straight angles. Okay, and in this figure angle XOY, its measurement is 180 degree, means it's an example of a straight angle. Then fifth type is complete angle. All those angles whose measurement is 360 degree are complete angles, and in this figure angle XYZ and its measurement is 360 degree, means it's an example of complete angle. Okay, then sixth type is reflex angles. All those angles whose measurement is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree are reflex angle, and in this figure angle STU and its measurement is 240 degree, which means it is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So this is an reflex angle. And last but not the least is zero angle. So all those angles whose measurement is 0 degree, okay, are zero angles. And in this figure angle DEF and its measurement is 0 degree. So this is zero angle. So this is the first part of concept of angles, and in my next part I'll definitely cover complementary and supplementary angles. And if this vlog is informative for you, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.